From the misty mountains of Colombia to the vast plantations of Brazil and the high altitudes of Ethiopia.
To grow the best coffee, you need the right location. High altitude, a tropical climate, and
After digging the hole, carefully place the seedling and gently pat the soil around the base before watering.
To ensure a healthy yield, focus on three things: consistent watering, precise pruning of overgrown branches,
Of humus. Hand-picking ensures precision and quality, selecting only the ripest cherries. But mechanical harvesting
organic versus conventional farming. How do sustainable practices affect the quality of the coffee beans we drink?
The role of the farmer is crucial. Only the perfectly ripe, red cherries are selected by hand.
Timing the harvest is crucial. Only the perfectly ripe, crimson red cherries guarantee the best flavor and quality.
Here we see some of the most common types, including the red Cachuai and the yellow bourbon.
We use both wet and dry methods. Wet processing involves water baths, while dry processing, straight back a little further. Okay, drop it right there, looks good.
best practices dictate immediate vacuum sealing in hermetic bags before careful loading into temperature-controlled environments.
To ensure nothing goes to waste, the harvested cherries are processed, and the remaining pits and stems are utilized as valuable byproducts.
Harvest timing is everything. Beans picked underripe, like these, create a vastly different taste profile than those harvested at peak ripeness.
The way a coffee cherry is processed, whether wet or dry, dramatically impacts its final flavor profile.
Fermentation is a critical step in developing the rich, complex flavors we look for during cupping.
These distinct processing methods dramatically affect the final cup, influencing both the aroma and the flavor profile.
Production to milling. The process of removing the parchment or husk from the coffee beans.
The importance of consistency, ensuring all beans are milled uniformly.
This batch looks good. We can send it through.
Understanding how coffee beans are rated based on quality is crucial. Our factory process ensures only the finest beans are selected.
Density is crucial for quality. Our densimetric sorting machine uses pressurized air and vibration to separate.
In the world of beans, color is more than just appearance. It's a key indicator of flavor and quality, which is why we meticulously sort them. Defective beans. How beans with cracks, stains, or imperfections are discarded.
Our optical sorters meticulously grade the beans by size and color, ensuring perfect uniformity before roasting.
The impact of grading on coffee prices. How grading determines the final price in the factory process.
We closely monitor the temperature and the color. Once they'll hit that perfect medium dark roast,
this is where the magic happens. Roasting transforms these green beans, first by drying them out, then rapidly.
The first crack is when the beans expand and release steam, resulting in a lighter, brighter flavor.
Exploring the differences in roast levels. The longer the beans are roasted, the darker they become, developing this distinct oily sheen.
The Maillard reaction transforms the green beans. As temperatures rise, we hear the first crack, releasing the complex aromas.
Introduction to grinding. How grinding changes the texture and strength of coffee.
Achieving the perfect cup starts here. We carefully calibrate our grinders because the ideal size for grinding the coffee beans just before brewing for optimal freshness.
Freshen. The packaging process is critical. We use a high-speed multi-head weigher, followed by vacuum sealing.
High-barrier foil-lined pouches are essential. Combined with a nitrogen flush, this ensures the beans are completely protected from oxidation.
As you can see, the vacuum sealing process removes the oxygen, which is essential for preserving the freshness of these premium beans.
The gold foil really highlights the origin story here.
Yes, and the roast text needs to be prominent for the consumer. This looks excellent.
The roast date is the most critical factor for freshness. That's why every bag is clearly stamped, guaranteeing quality for the consumer.
Sustainability is key. That's why we've switched to these fully compostable craft paper pouches for our coffee beans.
Quality is paramount. Each bag undergoes meticulous inspection for seal integrity and precise weight before shipment.
Shipping methods of coffee beans. The various methods of shipping coffee beans, air, sea, and land, inside the factory process.
Before the beans hit the roaster, they are stored in these massive silos and climate-controlled bags to maintain freshness.
This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of kilos daily, ready for international distribution and their journey around the world.
Timely and accurate deliveries are crucial. We maintain the highest product standards, monitoring the beans closely throughout the entire process.
The role of logistics companies. Companies that handle coffee transportation globally.
As the beans move swiftly down the line, our quality control ensures perfection.
Once sorted, the green coffee beans are automatically packaged and prepared for shipment to roasters and stores.
The role of grind size in brewing is critical. The coarser the grind, the faster the water flows, leading to less extraction.
Temperature control, the ideal brewing temperature for the best taste.
This is the science of extraction in action, as the water slowly pulls the rich flavors and oils from the freshly ground beans.